You want her to chase you, but she's just not interested. Why? The secret lies in understanding female psychology. In this video, I'll break down the hidden mistakes men make that push women away, and more importantly, how you can flip the script and make 99.9% of women pursue you instead. If she's not chasing you, it's because you're making subtle mistakes that push her away instead of drawing her in. Women don't chase men who appear too eager, too available, or too desperate for their attention. The first thing you must understand is that attraction isn't about convincing a woman to like you. It's about embodying qualities that naturally make her want to be in your presence. The moment a woman senses that you are trying too hard to win her over, she instinctively pulls back. It's not a conscious decision, it's how attraction works. Women are wired to be drawn toward men who exude confidence, self-assurance, and purpose. One of the biggest reasons a woman won't chase you is because you are too focused on her. If your energy revolves around trying to impress her, texting her first all the time, planning every date, and seeking validation, she will see you as just another guy vying for her attention. Women chase men who appear valuable, not men who are readily available at all times. Instead of centering your life around a woman, center your life around yourself. Focus on your goals, your ambitions, and your personal growth. When she sees that you have a fulfilling life with or without her, she will feel the urge to be a part of it. Another critical mistake men make is failing to create mystery. Women are drawn to curiosity, unpredictability, and excitement. If you are too transparent and predictable, if you always text her at the same time, always tell her exactly what she wants to hear, and never challenge her, she will quickly lose interest. Mystery doesn't mean playing games or being distant for no reason. It means having a life outside of her, being someone she wants to figure out, and making her feel intrigued by the idea of knowing you on a deeper level. When a woman feels like there is more to discover about you, she will naturally invest more effort in getting closer to you. Confidence is another crucial factor. Women do not chase insecure men. They chase men who move through life with certainty, who trust themselves, and who don't second-guess their worth. If you are constantly seeking her reassurance, apologizing unnecessarily, or afraid to express your true thoughts, you are signaling insecurity. Women respect men who respect themselves. Speak your mind without fear, stand by your values, and don't be afraid to disagree with her when necessary. Respectful disagreement shows confidence. A man who can challenge a woman's thoughts and engage in stimulating conversations naturally stands out from the rest. Furthermore, being too available diminishes your perceived value. If she knows you will always respond immediately, always agree to see her at any time, and always say yes to her requests, she will take your presence for granted. People don't chase what is easy to obtain. Make sure you maintain a life full of commitments, activities, and priorities beyond her. This doesn't mean ignoring her or treating her poorly. It means making sure she understands that your time is valuable. When you have boundaries, when you have a life that is full and rewarding, she will naturally feel the need to prove that she deserves a place in it. Finally, the ability to walk away is one of the most powerful psychological triggers of attraction. Nothing signals strength more than a man who is willing to let go if his needs are not met. Women chase men who are high value, and a high value man does not tolerate mistreatment, disrespect, or lukewarm interest. The moment a woman senses that you are willing to walk away rather than settle for less than what you deserve, her attraction towards you increases. When you become the kind of man who has options, who values himself, and who does not rely on a woman's approval to feel validated, you will find that women no longer run away from you. They start chasing you.